Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Oz Espresso Machines. Today we're going to talk briefly about the ECM Giotto, which is very similar to one of the Rocket Giotto machines. And if I'm not mistaken, at some point Rocket Milano, which is an espresso machine manufacturer, purchased ECM, and then they canceled the deal or something, and then each company went on to their own path. But a lot of the parts that used for this Giotto is the same as the Rocket Giotto. So the customer had some issues with the machine not heating properly. It was up to heat and then suddenly drops down, and sometimes it's not heating at all or overheating. So if you have any issues like that, then it could be one of the following. We're gonna show you some of the parts we have here. So we have the pressure stat, and this component here, you have the power goes, and you have steam pushing inside, and that's regulating the heat. So if there's something going on with heat not working properly, that's gonna be your first suspect. Then if you have an intermittent problem, it's overfilling or it's heating or overheating or things like that, it's most likely the controller, which is this little guy here made by Giotto. And Giotto is making most of the controllers for these espresso machines and a lot of other machines. You'll be surprised. I think they're like the biggest supplier of control boards to electronics, and a lot of people using them. So we replace that, and it could also be a ground issue of the water level sensor. If there's problem with the ground or the wire, the machine is thinking that it's out of water for whatever reason, it will stop heating. So hopefully you'll find this information useful. We're just going to quickly demonstrate how we have a lot of pressure. Had the machine on for about 40 minutes, and basically we're doing these videos not only for you at home to learn a little more about machines, but we also want to show our customer that we solved the problem prior of them picking up the machine and using it at home. So that's a little something that we do, and everybody benefits from that. We get to learn something about espresso machines, and the customer can feel comfortable that the problem is solved. And yeah, so here we go. The machine is back climbing. This is a little clunky, but it's working. If you have any questions, please comment below and consider subscribing. You can also check us out on Instagram. We try to post often, and we share a lot of our knowledge, technical knowledge that we have about espresso machines. And that's about it. So thank you again for watching, and as always, have a good day.